There are three types of terrain in the region: the mountains, the Piedmont, and the coastal plain. The Appalachian Mountain Range extends from western Virginia, southwest, to northern Georgia and Alabama. The eastern edge is known as the Blue Ridge Mountains. The Piedmont is an area of low, rolling hills at the foot of the mountains. Piedmont is a French word meaning foothills. Except for the Ozark Mountains in Arkansas, all the rest is coastal plain, a low, relatively flat area perfect for agriculture. Vegetables and food crops grow abundantly. But certain crops grew so well here that they came to dominate agriculture. Still king. Growing only a single crop, however, used up the soil. Cotton no longer grew well. The entire economy faced ruin until one man came up with a solution. Growing peanuts in alternate years could renew the soil, but nobody wanted the peanuts. They were only used to feed the pigs. George Washington Carver, an African-American born into slavery and later freed, came up with over 300 uses for the peanut. He saved the cotton crop and established another huge cash crop for the Southeast region's farmers. Another major industry is fishing. The coastal waters of the Atlantic and Gulf of Mexico and the many rivers of the coastal plain are full of fish. Fishing is an occupation for many, but for others, it's simply a way to put food on the table. The warm waters in the bays along the Atlantic coast spawn many shellfish, such as oysters and clams. Shrimp are a big part of the economy along the Gulf Coast. The many rivers in the area provided both power and transportation, and the cost of labor was lower than in the north. Textiles, paper, and furniture became important products throughout the region. Motor vehicles, computer parts, and machinery are also manufactured. Another important part of the economy today are the service industries, from home building to tourism, which benefit directly from the climate of the Southeast. Many people are moving here and vacationing here because of the warmer temperatures. Although the northern part of the region can see harsh winters, the southern part, along the Gulf Coast and throughout Florida, rarely freezes. Farmers in central Florida can grow crops the year round. Oranges are a major crop, along with vegetables, which are shipped north during the winter. Vacationers flock to the warm waters and sunny beaches of the Gulf and Atlantic coasts. In the winter, though, only South Florida is warm enough for swimming. But living in the Southeast has its hazards. One of the biggest is hurricanes. These violent tropical storms occur in the late summer and fall and can cause serious destruction.